The first step in any flash floor repair is to clean the surface and open up the pores of the concrete. You can achieve this with a grinder or a hammer drill. Prime the repair area with a thin coating of flash floor. Fill the repair area with 100% dry sand, and level it off with a trowel or putty knife. Saturate the repair area with flash floor until you see pooling on the surface. Soak up any excess flash floor with some dry sand and trowel the area smooth. Let it set up. It only takes about 15 minutes in average temperatures. Once your repair has hardened, and you'd like to make it smoother, just use a rubbing brick or emery stone to sand it smooth.